Welcome to in 5 minutes. We'll continue with string functions. We have to use String.h for working with these functions. We're taking some strings as example at the top. S1 is ABCD, S2 is ABFG, S3 is PQR, S4 string is ABCD where A and C are capital, and then there's some integer n is 2. Now let's see the first function strcmp. This is used to compare two strings. Now the result of comparison is integer. You can see it returns a value as integer. The function compares two strings and returns the answer as either a positive value, negative value or zero value. If the two strings, that is S1 S2, are exactly same lengthwise and characters wise, then the result will be 0. If first string S1 is alphabetically bigger than S2, then answer will be positive value. If S1 is alphabetically less than S2, then answer will be negative value. Now let's see what the description is given over here. Compares two strings. It is case sensitive. If both the strings are exactly same, that is identical, returns answer as 0. Else returns the difference between the ASCII codes of the first mismatching characters of the two strings. Now let's try and see what we mean by this. We've taken the example as n equal to strcmp s2 comma s1. Now I'll just write over here again. S2 is a, b, f, g and s1 is abcd. Now the function compares the two strings character by character. Where it finds first difference, that difference is written as a value. For example, a same, B and B same, F and C are different. Now this will return me the difference between ASCII code of F and ASCII code of C. So it is like F minus C. Obviously the value will be positive. Function will not check the further characters. Once it finds first mismatch, it just gives the value as that difference. So that can be obviously positive value or a negative value, depends on these two characters. So in this case the answer will be given as, we have written S2 and S1, so difference will be taken as F minus C and the answer will be positive. Had it been string compare S1 comma S2, then it will compare this way, A and A, B and B, C and F. That case it will subtract C minus F and the answer will be negative. Now what is this concept is exactly? Let's try and understand. Suppose there are two names. Let's say one is Raju and one is, let's say, Raju. Now in this case, if you compare these two strings as this as first string and this as second string, then R same, A same, J and J same. Now here U and E are different, so it will be subtraction done and get value as positive value. Had it been other way, reverse way, there is Raju as a first string and Raju as second string. In that case, R, A, J same. Subtraction will be done this way and answer will be negative value. Now you can see alphabetically Raju string is bigger than Rajiv string. Just assume that if these two names are stored in a computer or in a mobile's phone book, Raju will be first stored and then Raju will be stored because Raju is alphabetically afterwards or bigger than Raju. Next is strcmp. This is string compare ignoring case. So the two strings are compared with ignoring cases. Now suppose you write strcmp for this S2 and S1. Here again comparison will be same way. It is A, B same, F and C are different. Answer will be positive value. So it can be again positive or negative value if there are two different strings. But in this case the comparison will be case insensitive. For example, if we are comparing strcmp S1 and S4. S1 is ABCD and S4 is ABCD only, but with A capital and even C capital. So when it's comparing the strings, it is A, B, C, D and A, B, capital C, D. strcmp just checks for character per character. A same, B same, C and C same, D and D same. So the length is same, characters are same. So answer will be 0 to indicate the strings are exactly same. If I had used these two strings with the comparison of string compare strcmp, then in that case first mismatch will occur over here. So A and A subtraction will be a positive value because the ASCII codes of lowercase are in 97 range and ASCII codes of capital letters are in 65 range.